Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. This is Mike. Today we are dealing with a Gottlieb King Kool. This is a pinball machine, electro-mechanical, that was done in 1972. Pretty simple layout here. Got 4 flippers down at the bottom, no slingshots. Pretty basic layout with a few stand-up targets and the spinners. And the objective here is to spell King and light up a few features and rack up your bonus points. What I want to demo here is a common situation in a lot of these EM games where it seems like there's a light out, but it's actually not the light. So we'll start a game, and it'll kick a ball into play. And any pinball machine that has a bonus counter will have usually a sequence of lights. See, in this game, it's just 1,000, 2,000. If you look over here, the bonus counter is actually balls and a pool thing. So these bonus counters are in different games. And if we look over here in Card Whiz, it's the bonus counters right here like this. So what we're looking at is a situation where some of the lights in the bonus counters aren't working, and you know, the natural inclination is to grab some light bulbs and replace the light bulbs, but that's not always the problem. So we'll put a ball in play, and each of the K's, the letters, you see how it goes up, 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 up. If one of these doesn't come on, it could be the light bulb, but it could also be the bonus stepper motor. And you see that the 9,000 didn't, oh, see, now it's working. Now, where is that problem being caused? So let's lift up the Playfield. And let's see, I'll put this up here, okay? Put that down. All right. Here's our string of lights right here, and there's our 9,000 bonus light. And you know, you could no, just mess with it. You could wiggle it, and sometimes it might work, but sometimes no amount of wiggling will make it work, because this is not where the point of failure is. The point of failure is in the bonus stepper unit, because what switches these on these electromechanicals are not transistors, but actually a contact that's moving around on a plate. And here it is back here. Boop. That's me leaning on the flipper button. So this is the plate right here. And in this case, it's in the back. Sometimes it's down in the middle of the cabinet. But you see this little thing right here? That is what causes it. Now watch what happens when I touch it. You see the lights go on and off? These contacts right here, if they need to be cleaned a little bit, that'll make the lights go on. So you can take a little piece of sandpaper, or you can take a cotton swab with some alcohol and clean this pad here that these contacts are on, and take some 600 grit sandpaper and run it over the surface of these plates and keep them nice and clean, and that'll make the contact nice, and it'll get these lights to flip on. Let's see, now as I let me hit one of these bonus things, you'll see it move, you see? And as it moves, the switch touches other lights, and you can see here, it makes the light. See, that one's out right there. Now if I reach down here and fiddle with the, it's back on. Yeah, you can see, I'm touching down there on the bonus stepper unit. So this contact needs to be cleaned a little bit. That's where the problem is. So that's something to make note of if you're trying to figure out why some lights are going on and you keep replacing the bulbs and they still aren't working. Sometimes you need to clean the bonus stepper unit. So that's just a little bit of information there. I'll be posting more on this. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit the website, pinballhelp.com.